So, the logical mathematical learner is someone who really excels at reasoning. They love problem solving, and especially when they get to work with numbers or abstract concepts. They're really drawn to patterns, to systems, to sequences, and they find a lot of comfort in structure and in organization. So, let's look at how we can apply this logical learning style and what we can do to help these kinds of learners. So, first, when you use the logic and reasoning, be sure that you actually are approaching a topic and you break it down into smaller, manageable parts. You want to analyze relationships, you want to look at concepts, you want to look at patterns, you want to create a logical framework and give an outline for the learners to follow. They want to seek patterns and connections. So you really want connections between new information you already know and old information. So if you're studying a scientific concept, you want to relate it to a real world example or a past experience that is going to demonstrate how that theory works in practice. Remember, theory is going to be very frustrating to this type of learner. Next, use problem solving. You want to engage in any kind of a puzzle, a problem, a math problem, something that is really going to intrigue those critical thinking skills that are going to allow that learner to apply their reasoning to learn and reasoning skills in learning. Also, create charts and tables. Anything that's going to create a visual way to organize information is going to be fantastic. So, try tables, graphs, flowcharts. Visualize how different pieces of information connect logically. Even use infographics. Infographics are spectacular. So, logical learners thrive on structure, patterns, and reasoning. They excel at breaking down complex concepts into clear and organized frameworks. They support this by learning styles, or you can support this learning style by using outlines, problem solving activities, and then even visual tools like charts. And that way, it's going to connect and analyze information logically.